kids, welcome to my channel. Colors name: blue color, black color, neon color, orange color, brown color, sky blue color, pink color, red color. So today we learn A for apple, green color, A for apple. B for ball, C for cat, C for cat. So kids, now we draw A for apple. So kids, now we draw A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. We use for ball this one. B for ball. C for cat. Now we fill color. A for apple. Brown color for stamps. Green color for leaves. B for ball. We use multicolor here, kids. Which color you like, you can use it. Red, green, yellow, B for ball. Now time for cat. For cat we use yellow color. C for cat. So kids, what we learned today? A. A for apple. Apple is red color. B. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye.